Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today, obviously the scenery is a little bit different than my past few videos that I've posted with that bear hunt, which if you haven't watched that, go watch that series. It's 4 episodes long for a 5-day hunt that my brother and I did. Other than that though, I'm out doing a little bit of bass fishing today at a local pond next to my house. So it's looking really good right now. I was here last week and it was a brutal slaying, I gotta say that. Oh my goodness, I did so good. So we're over here today. It's looking like these fish are schooling up on shad and their little fry from the spawn. So without further ado, I'm gonna throw you guys on the chesty and let's get this video started. Alrighty, down at the pond. Looks like these fish are moving. I'm gonna set the gear down and I think we're gonna get to fishing. Got this juicy little Terminator spinnerbait on. I'm gonna give this a try. I killed it on this last time, so hopefully they will want to go for this. There we go. That's a good fish too. He took it when I was slow rolling it. Oh, nice. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Nice. Alright. Just got ourselves the first bass of the day. Just a little guy, but we don't count the size on this channel. Stoked that I got onto one on that spinnerbait. I figured out how to do it. I was just started slow rolling it, and then this guy came up and hammered it. So I'm stoked. Let's get the release on this guy. Oh my goodness, it is proving to be a very hard day today. After I got that spinnerbait bite, I haven't gotten a single tap. I'm gonna work down the way towards the truck. Pretty slow though right now, I gotta say. But just grinding it out. Happy we at least got one on the board. There we go. Finally. Oh, it's a good fish. It's a good fish. Yes. No, don't jump. Oh, come on. Please don't do this. Don't jump. I'm pulling you over here. We're going to the shade, buddy. It's a good fish. This little pond. I got you pegged. You're not coming off, but oh my goodness, finally, that was a grind getting this fish right here. Oh, I just barely had him hooked. Heck yeah. Alrighty, just got our second bass of the day. Finally, it's been a bit since I caught a fish today, so I'm happy with this guy. I caught him on a Ned rig, the PB&J color. And yeah, he hammered it. Casted it right up along the bank and twitch, and then he freaking smoked it. So cool little fish, beautiful colors on him. Has a little bit of, actually has a little bit of gold on the top of him right here. So yeah, very happy with this fish, finally. Alrighty, let's get this guy back in the water. See you later, buddy. Thank you. Alright guys, so that was a pretty good day today. There's a spider on my camera. Okay. Anyways, so that was a pretty good day today. Only caught 2 fish. It was hard for the most part trying to get on the fish, but we still got onto them, and I'm more than happy about that. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up, go get to the truck, and then I got things I gotta go do today. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go down and smash that subscribe button, kick the like button, and share the video with your friends. And without further ado, I'm gonna get out of here, go do my things for the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.